Hey guys, my name is Ishan. Welcome back to Talk Football, home of reviews, tactics, and transfer talks. In my previous video, I talked about Manchester United and the Bruno effect, and I also said that Mason Greenwood requires a whole another video if we went on talking about him. So here is the video, and in this video, we will take a look at Mason's Greenwood profile, his career statistics, his playing style, his position, and all those things. So without any further ado, let's get it started. But before I get into any of that, guys, do help us reach 1,000 subscribers as it will help us monetize our channel. And do drop a like, share it with your friends, and drop that subscribe. Okay. So let's get it started. So firstly, as we all know, that Mason Greenwood is the 18-year-old Manchester United player and an academy graduate where he joined his boyhood club at the age of 6 in 2007. Later, he joined up for the under 18 squad for the 2017-2018 season despite being eligible only for the under 16 ranks. He also finished as the top scorer for the under 18 Premier League North with 17 goals in 21 games. He was already showing sparks of brilliance, and then later he went on to score 46 goals in 43 games at the youth level. At the age of just 17 and 115 days, Greenwood became the second youngest player to represent the club at an European competition. In Europa League match against Astana, he became the youngest ever goal scorer for United at just 17 years and 353 days. And since then, Mason Greenwood has seen no stopping. The 18-year-old has scored 18 goals in 44 appearances in all competitions this season. Plus, he has now scored 9 Premier League goals in this season and has also surpassed Roberto Firmino's tally for this season. Mason Greenwood has now scored 4 goals in his past 4 games for United. That means one goal involvement per game. That's huge for an 18-year-old. Due to lack of attacking options for Ole up front and due to several underperforming players, Mason Greenwood has been given good amount of playing time by Ole, and boy, he is delivering and now has become a key fixture in the Manchester United front three. He is now the only second teenager with Wayne Rooney to score in 3 consecutive Premier League games. And now let's take a look at his playing style. He is a left-footed player but uses his weaker right foot equally well, and that is a technique that is only mastered by a very few players in the world right now. At such a young age, Greenwood's ability to use both of his left and right foot with equal comfort has given him an edge over the opposition defenders. His lightning quick pace and agility adds to his two-footedness as he often leaves his defender confused as to which way he's gonna go. Majorly playing on the right, he is equally comfortable to either cut in on the left and take a shot with his left foot or just burst it into pace on the right hand side with his right foot and deliver a cross. His acceleration is also so incredible. All of his pace, agility, and quickness is two-folded by his ability to manipulate his pace. While on a run, Greenwood often slows down, then suddenly bursts into pace, and then slows down again. All of that in a matter of seconds, and this leaves the defender confounded as to what Mason Greenwood is gonna do. Either he's gonna slow down, take a shot, or pass. The defender has no clue, and Mason Greenwood benefits from this ability so much. Apart from this, his shooting and particularly finishing is second to none. He is icy cool on that left foot finishes and never shies away from taking a banger from outside of the box. The display that he has given this season, his shooting, his finishing, we can very well say that his finishing is at least better than Rashford or even Martial in the United squad. While shooting, he just aligns himself and rolls the ball into space and then whips a shot towards the corner low and direct, and when he's far out, he just smashes it. Although shooting and finishing and pace are his key strengths, but he has got that tremendous tactical and positional awareness too. Before taking a touch, Mason scans the area around him and then rolls the ball into that area to make space for himself. Being both footed and with just soft touches to the sides, this helps him get away from his defenders real quickly, and this helps him beat the heavy pressing. Plus, Greenwood plays with his mind. He has that ability, he knows where the spaces are and how to exploit them. He often drops into space or keeps himself ready to move into space when he gets the ball. And many times we have seen that in the final third of the game, he calls for the ball and moves himself into a position where he can take a shot. And when he's on the ball, he looks for a run at the defender because he knows that he has a good dribbling ability, he knows he has got pace, so he drives at the defender. And when he cannot, he looks for some precise passes to his sideways and then and then very quickly moves into space so that his players can find him and can pass to him so that the move can continue. One of Greenwood's best ability is to know when and how to arrive in the box. He is always looking for spaces to slot in, but at a very precise moment. He waits until the moment is very right so that the passer can slot the ball to him and then he can make a run or shoot. While in crossing situation, he stays towards the edge of the box or drops deep to get a cut back. Doing this suddenly cuts him out of the game and there's a cutback and a goal scoring chance is created. On a build-up play from the back or on counters, Mason is equally capable. He is great at link-up plays. He would do those 1-2s and then make a run on the flank, stretching the defense, pulling the defenders apart, and would allow his teammate to pick him with a lob pass. Plus, Greenwood also has got a good dribbling skill. He uses his both feet to change directions quickly and leave his defender confused. His ambidexterity allows him to use both of his feet at the same time, and this leaves the defender rooted on the spot and he moves either left or right and he passes away the defender. Mason Greenwood very seldom contributes defensively and he also needs to work on his passing. With just one assist in all of the appearances this season, he can also work on that area plus his heading ability. All of these traits have brought numerous comparison of Robin van Persie towards him. He runs, he passes, he even shoots like the ex-Manchester United player, and even Robin van Persie was full of praises for the teenager. With the proper attitude and proper game time given at Manchester United, we can really feel that this lad will turn out to be a huge star in the future. And if he continues to perform like this, I feel that there is no need for Manchester United to sign Jadon Sancho. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, do drop that subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. Also do follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. And I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, as always, peace out. मम्मी थोड़ा हल्ला कम करिए।